What is up, guys? BritTech here, and today we are going to be discussing the install for iOS 17.0.3. So let's get into it. Go to your settings. You can select software update available or scroll down to general and select that, and then select software update, and there will be the new iOS 17.0.3 install. And so this update provides important bug fixes, security updates, and addresses an issue that may cause iPhone to run warmer than expected. And so that is what this update is for. I would recommend this if you are experiencing this issue. And if you want to know more, you can just go to that blue Apple support link right at the bottom. And so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and update now. So go ahead and select that. And then once you do, it will ask you to enter your passcode. And all right, so now this is the part where the update has been requested. This is 345.1 megabytes, so it may take some time, but your update has now been requested, so it is going to begin the download. Once the download is complete, then you will be able to install the update. And so we are going to wait for this to finish. May take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, who knows. Now, once the software update is ready to be installed, it will prompt you to install now or later, depending on what you select. If you select install later, it will go ahead and update it at that later time, even if your phone is locked and on the charger. And then also if you select install now, then it will begin to verify the update. Now, after it verifies the update, it will take you through a series of reboots. Usually it is about 2 to 3 reboots. But once it is done, it will bring you to a screen that says your phone has now been updated. Now, if you experience any issues where you cannot select that update now or install now button, it is grayed out. That is for either 2 reasons. Your phone is not charged at least 25 to 50%, or you need to reboot. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.